Summarize spoken text updated template for PTE Academic. Make sure you learn this template correctly the way I teach you. If you want a detailed explanation, go to our YouTube channel A1 Australia PT, where I've explained this template in much more detail. Let's not waste time. Make sure you save this video and subscribe to our channel. I'm Malcolm from A1 Australia PTE IELTS NAATI. Now, summarize spoken text is the first task in listening. You'll get only one question for this task. You'll listen to an audio. After the audio ends, you'll have about 8 to 9 minutes left. The overall time in this task is 10 minutes. You are supposed to write a summary which is between 50 to 70 words. This task will have only one question. It is a timed task. Even if you finish your answer before the timer ends, don't click next. Stay back, check your answer for spelling and grammatical mistakes. You want a pro tip? Don't type a word if you're not sure about the spelling. Now, since the answer needs to be between 50 to 70 words, I'll also give you some understanding of the scoring distribution. You'll get one question. This task will contribute roughly 7 to 8 points to the listening score, just one question out of 90. And it will contribute 12 to 15 points, anywhere between 10 to 15, roughly let's say 12 to 13 points to the writing score, just one answer. So if there are more than 2 spelling mistakes, you are in trouble. If there are more than 2 grammatical mistakes, you are in trouble. If there are more than 2 typing mistakes, you are in trouble. If your answer length exceeds 70 words, even if it's 71 words, you are in trouble. Even if it's less than 50 words, 49 words, you are in trouble. Now this template works 100%. It's a very high scoring template. The way it has been designed is using academic vocabulary, plus the use of proper connectors gives it good cadence and coherence as well. The only job which you need to do is take proper notes which focus on task response. Don't use your common sense too much in this task. You'll have to be really good at note taking and understanding the audio. Now the first sentence is, the speaker was talking about, always whatever the main topic or the main phrase, fit it at the top. For example, the speaker was talking about earthquakes in Japan, comma, which are quite common, full stop. Don't write single words. For example, the speaker was talking about earthquakes, full stop. Don't do that. Earlier, one word used to work, but not anymore. If you are focused about getting a superior score, you must follow my suggestions fully, only then you will get it. Continuing, moreover, comma, this lecture sheds light on. Now here there are two options. Either you write multiple keywords separated by a comma, the way I have shown in the template, or you write a full sentence. For example, moreover, comma, this lecture sheds light on artists working very hard in Rome in the 13th century, full stop. Like that, you write a full sentence which makes meaning. Contextual sense and meaning is very important in this task for a superior listening score. If you're writing keywords, make sure that these are plural nouns. If they are countable, you have to make them plural on your own. If they are uncountable, leave them as they are. And if it's a verb, you need to add ing if you're using the verb as a keyword. For example, you can't write create. It makes no sense. But if you write creating electricity, like verb plus ing plus noun, it will make sense. Or it could be, moreover, comma, this lecture sheds light on Roman artists, comma, pottery, comma, mass burial sites, comma, and the history of Rome, full stop. So that's how you fit chunks of keywords. Now continuing, additionally, comma, the importance of dash was highlighted. Now after of, if it's a phrase, if you're putting a full phrase, after of, if it's a verb, it has to end in ing. For example, the importance of controlling the heart rate of animals in closed rooms was highlighted. If you write the importance of control of heart rate or of the heart rate, then that's wrong. Whenever it's a verb after of, you have to add the ing form. And the last sentence is, the orator added that, sorry, this is the second last sentence. The orator added that, you add one more phrase. The orator added that artists in olden periods of time were paid very meagerly, for example. So you write a full phrase which makes sense. And the final sentence you write, in conclusion, comma, you write down the one last sentence from the audio, whichever you remember. In conclusion, comma, art and craft in Rome was loved by all its citizens, full stop. This is how you write a perfect summary. There is no fixed word limit. It could be anywhere between 50 to 70 words. As long as you have proper content, there are no spelling mistakes, no grammatical mistakes, no typing errors, you will get full marks. If you finish your answer before time, make sure you check it multiple times for spelling, grammar, and typing errors. Remember, you should not make even a single error if you are looking for a superior score. If you need classes for PTE, you can join our guaranteed PTE course. More than 40 students have got a score of superior English for 20 PR points after 7th August changes. Plus, we also help in clearing NAATI CCL and IELTS. So we help with all these tests of English. We also have a free app. It's called Mock Master. We also have a free website, which is called Mock Master. So you can go there, practice as much as you want, and give us a call on the number or visit our website, One Australia Group, if you're looking for PT, IELTS or NAATI classes. I'm Malcolm. Good luck.